She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third day of 31 blends of Halloween. So this blend, you guys, I thought was really nice. This blend request is coming from Shantae Belgrave, who wanted to see the colors 350, 30, and 27, or said instead of 27, maybe 33. Well, I've already done 350, 30, and 33. So we're going to do the 27. So 350, 30, 27 will be the blend. And then also after I blend that, I will be adding in the color 60 to that blend. So you guys will get 2 blends here for the price of 1. So make sure to stick around until the end so you guys can see both of these beautiful blends that look so nice for this fall, autumn season that we are in. I hope you guys enjoy it. And also, if you're new, then stick around until the end because you'll see what the blends look like as a braid as well as what it looks like as a twist, and I'll do a side by side with both of the blends. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all continue to support and push me so we can get these 31 blends out this month, and I hopefully will talk to you guys tomorrow on my next blend. I hope you guys stay blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.